I want to do a quick analysis on Apple and see where we are. Today is September 23rd, 2012. It's 4:15 in the afternoon, and I was asked earlier on what my thoughts were for Apple and where we're headed. Went ahead and I'm looking at a particular trend line drawn from December. And if you connect the lows from our December, when we were in consolidation here, this was pretty easy to see. Then if you connect the bottom from December and go through to May, we touch right to the dollar right here. We actually bounce off once, twice, and come off. Then in July we bounce off this, come just underneath, but finish the day. I could probably revise this line like that, where it touches perfectly here and here back in June. Then we touch exactly again in August, going into September. This is the daily chart, each candle being 1 day. We look at connecting. I'm looking at the channel, and I'm looking at connecting these three highs, actually these four highs from May, and then you've got May 21st, 22nd, 24th, 30th. You got 5 days in here. In fact, you've got the bottom. This could be the breakdown. 1, 2, 3 more days. You've got about 10 days to show a solid channel coming through. Then we almost touch here. There may have been, I can't remember, back in July, news to bring the stock lower, but we're looking at this stock coming just up, and you can see that all the way broke through it. We did finish the day closing right at to the penny, this channel line here. We're looking at probably, from what we're studying, an upside. We've already hit resistance at 705, 707 is what our target is for the Apple before we start to have a pullback. I don't know what news there might be. I'm thinking to stay in this channel, the news might be ahead of the fact that perhaps, the Apple, I think if I remember correctly what happened last year in September, let me go back. There was when the iPhone came out last time, a shortage in the supply, so that hurt sales. And I think generally that's what happens with this stock, which is why you get such a perfect channel, is because you do get so much upside from the release every year, like we did here. I guess since July, I would say, is when we really got the run up. We had a little bit of a pullback here and consolidation before it went higher again, but then everybody remembers that you end up running out of supply, and then you can't sell the phone. So I think we're going to run into the same thing. I put a price target of 707, although we might push through that. I don't really see much more upside before we start to have a pullback. So we'll see how it plays out, and visit us online, description and link in below. Subscribe. We'd love to have you join our trade desk, which we are on every day, and you can join so for free.